Australia was forged by the dedication and resilience of hard-working individuals. Tradesmen tackle their work with great determination. And when it comes to their trusty workhorses, their utes, one thing is clear. They demand ute trays that can withstand the toughest challenges and endure the test of time. Well, back in 1985, alloy and steel ute trays weren't readily available to Australian tradies. Tip Top Equipment saw an opening to manufacture alloy and steel ute trays. Fast forward to today, Tip Top Equipment's one of Australia's leading manufacturers for alloy and steel ute trays. The one-size-fits-all approach doesn't work when it comes to tray bodies. Tip Top Equipment, we manufacture here in Australia the tray body to suit your needs, whether it be the heavy construction industry, the agricultural industry, plumbing or electrician. The manufacturing process starts when you come to us with your needs. We select the correct model of tray for your ute and your requirement. We manufacture it through our state-of-the-art manufacturing process, turning raw materials into tray bodies Australia-wide.
I work in the design and innovation department. We look after all the design of new products. We work closely with the sales team. They give us the leads and the ideas and we come back with solutions for them. We work very closely with production. We go through step by step any new products or changes so they understand exactly what's happening. All of our materials are sourced locally, so using those local Australian suppliers, we guarantee our product arrives here when we need it and to our tight standards. So with that becomes a lot of responsibility for us to get the quality checks right. Throughout the whole process, there's quality checks in each stage. There's 38 in total, from when it first hits the factory floor to when the vehicle's driven out the door at the other end. We pride ourselves on delivering the highest quality, and we are excited to continue our legacy of innovation.
At Tip Top Equipment, our goal is to offer quality products to tradesmen, creating a workstation on wheels for their commercial vehicles. We offer a consistent supply and reliable lead times to our dealers and tradesmen, giving a seamless delivery of their new vehicle. So if you're looking for an Australian-made tailored solution for your ute tray, don't just ask for a Tip Top, insist on it.